So you want to build this kind of store for your FiveM server? Well, in only 5 minutes, this dream will become reality, and let me guide you through it. So first thing first, let's start by editing the Tip4Serv store. So this is what you can customize, but for my part I'm going to just customize the title. I'm going to call it Hello YouTube. I'm going to set a subtitle. As you can see, you can customize also the color. I will let you explore this part because this is not the purpose of this tutorial. So now let's start by adding the FiveM connection. You want to go to servers and then we want to add a Discord or game server. I'm going to call my server Hello YouTube. And of course I'm going to select FiveM. And you can choose a player identifier. I'm going to choose Discord ID for my part. So now let's add it. We will first start by linking the Discord server to Tip4Serv. So what you want to do is to invite the Tip4Serv bot. You want to select your own server. For my part I'm going to select Hello YouTube. And you can press continue and authorize. Now that the Tip4Serv bot has been invited here, we will have to link it. So let's go back to the Tip4Serv. The first thing we're going to do is to modify the role. You want to set tip4serv.com at the top. So make sure it's at the top. And of course, save your changes. Now that it's done, just copy this command, write /link and paste your secret key. You should see this message, your Discord server has been successfully linked to your store. Let's return back to the dashboard. Let's click on done. And now this time we're going to link Tip4Serv to FiveM. So let's download the script. You want to click on the green button, code, and on download zip. And as you can see, it opened WinRAR. What we want to do is to bring our server files. When I go in resources, and for my part, I'm going to place it in gameplay. And now enter the folder and drag this into the folder gameplay. So now let's return back to the dashboard. This time I want to add some configuration to our server.config. I'm going to use my txadmin dashboard and you want to go in CFG editor. Now it's quite simple, just copy and paste each command, make sure it runs, a days, and you don't forget to save the file. Let's restart the server. Now we're going to verify in the live console. And if you see this message, server has been successfully connected, it means everything went successfully. So now let's return back again to the dashboard. Close this and just press done. Now let's verify by testing some products. I'm going to create a product in home and I'm going to call it VIP. You can set a description. And what you want to do is to choose a server. And I'm going to select the FiveM server. But you can also do other stuff on Discord. And you can customize your comments. As for my part, I already wrote some. I'm going to test with this. And we're going to set a job. Don't forget to set enable to on and you can submit it. Let's return back to the settings. To be able to make some test payment, set your store mode in test mode. Now let's verify that everything works fine by clicking on the orange button to see our test store. Select your product that you've made, I'm buying, and don't forget to link your Discord account. Let's press on test mode payment. And if you see this message, it means that the payment went successfully. So now we're going to connect to our server to verify that everything works fine. So now, once you arrived, you can either wait that the command gets executed or just enter check donate. And our command will be delivered within 30 seconds. As you can see, you've received your order. And now what you can do is just to edit your product and your only limit will be your imagination. So have fun making your store.